How do I download and install the ITV Hub app on my smart TV to watch live programming?
Welcome to this tutorial on how to download and install the ITV Hub app on your smart TV. The ITV Hub is a popular streaming platform that allows you to watch live programming and catch up on your favorite shows. In this video, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing the ITV Hub app on your smart TV, so you can enjoy a wide range of content right from your living room.
Check compatibility and TV App Store.
Before we begin, it's important to check if your smart TV is compatible with the ITV Hub app. The ITV Hub app is available on various smart TV platforms, including Samsung, LG, Sony, Panasonic, and many others. Make sure to consult your TV's manual or the manufacturer's website to verify compatibility. Once you've confirmed compatibility, you'll need to locate the TV App Store on your smart TV. This is where you can find and download applications for your TV. The App Store may have different names depending on the TV brand, such as LG Content Store or Samsung Smart Hub. Look for the icon or menu option that represents the App Store on your TV.
Search for the ITV Hub app.
Once you've accessed the TV App Store, use the search function to find the ITV Hub app. Type ITV Hub into the search bar and press Enter or select the magnifying glass icon. This will initiate a search for the ITV Hub app within the App Store's database.
Install the ITV Hub app.
After the search results appear, locate the official ITV Hub app from the list. Ensure that you are downloading the official ITV Hub app developed by ITV plc. Avoid any unofficial or third-party versions, as they may be unreliable or potentially harmful. Once you've found the official ITV Hub app, select it to view more details. Make sure to read the app description, user reviews, and ratings to ensure it meets your expectations. To install the ITV Hub app, select the Install or Download button. This will initiate the download and installation process. The time it takes to complete the installation will vary depending on your internet connection and the TV's processing power.
Launch the ITV Hub app.
After the installation is complete, locate the ITV Hub app among your installed applications. You can usually find it in the Apps or My Apps section of your smart TV's interface. Highlight the ITV Hub app and press the Enter or OK button on your TV remote to launch the app. This will open the ITV Hub interface on your smart TV.
Sign in and enjoy.
To fully access the content on the ITV Hub app, you'll need to sign in with your ITV Hub account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials using the on-screen keyboard and select Sign In or a similar option. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by visiting the ITV Hub website on your computer or mobile device. Once you have an account, return to the ITV Hub app on your smart TV and sign in. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed the ITV Hub app on your smart TV. Now you can browse and watch live programming, catch up on your favorite shows, and enjoy a variety of content directly on your TV. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of downloading and installing the ITV Hub app on your smart TV. Remember to check compatibility, search for the official ITV Hub app in your TV's App Store, install it, and sign in to start enjoying a wide range of programming. Thank